how to accept credit card payments on your website. What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video, and this video is gonna be ideal for you if you have a customer outside the country and you want to get paid fast. You just want to provide the customer an easy way for him or her to make the payment and for you to receive that payment on your bank account. So I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple web form, web page, checkout page like this. You can customize this page, and as you can see, the customer only has to put their information and choose the payment method that they want to use. If they want to use PayPal or a credit card or debit card, they can use it as well. So if you want to create this, we're gonna use these tools. First, you need a WordPress website. Then you need WooCommerce, you need a page builder like Elementor. We're gonna use a free tool that is called Card Flows that is gonna allow us to customize the checkout page, and you need a payment processor like Stripe. If you're not familiar on how to receive online payments, I have another video where I show you the different methods that you can use to start receiving online payments. So if you want to check it out, there's gonna be a link below as well. Also, if you don't have a website, you are completely new with all these things of creating a website for your business, I also have a free training that's gonna help you understand how to use these tools like WordPress, the page builder like Elementor, and much more. So if you want to check it out, guys, you have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings and get started and start consuming the content that I have inside there. So without further ado, guys, let's dive into today's tutorial. Alright, so the step number one is install the plugins that we're going to use. So right now we're gonna go to plugins, and as you can see, we have Elementor installed. So what we're gonna do right now is we're going to install WooCommerce. Install and activate. Here you're going to set up the WooCommerce stuff. You can put your address, your business address, and just basic stuff, but you can always set up this later. So I'm gonna skip this. After that, we're gonna install another plugin. That I'm gonna go to plugins, add new. We're gonna search for card flows, and this is the one. Install now and activate. There we have it, and we're gonna install the final plugin that is basically a Stripe, the payment gateway, and we're gonna choose this one, WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. We're gonna install now and activate, and we have the plugins installed. Now we're gonna go to the step number 2, set up payment gateways. So this is basically to start receiving credit cards, debit cards, payments, and also PayPal. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're gonna go to WooCommerce settings, then click on payment. You're gonna see that you have Stripe here. You're gonna make sure to activate this and set up. Okay, in order to set up this, you should have created your Stripe account. You can go to YouTube and learn how to do that. It's a no-brainer how to do it. Once you have done that, you're gonna go to your Stripe account, and in the left side options, you're gonna see these options. You're gonna click on developers, and under developers, you're gonna click on API keys, and you're gonna land in this page. You're gonna see that you have the public key and the secret key. So you're gonna copy and paste each of these keys in the respective box, but make sure that this is unchecked. Okay, so you're gonna have the live publishable key and the live secret key. You're gonna paste those codes in here. When you set up this, you also want to make sure to set up the test mode with Stripe, because you need to test that everything is working good. And if you want to do this, you also need to put the information here. So the test mode, just make sure to click enable test mode, and as you can see, it changed. Test publishable key and test secret key. So we also need to put the key info here. So we're gonna go back to Stripe, And in order to get this information, you have to click here. Okay, this is just basically gonna show us the test keys. As you can see, this is the test mode. Right here it says test mode. I don't know what is in Spanish, but it's the test mode, and you have to copy this and put it in here. And once you do this, you're gonna be able to test the pages, okay, the checkout page, and see if everything is working. And I wanted to tell you this because later at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you a quick test that we're gonna do just for you to see how everything works. And in order to make that test, I need to have this enable test mode active with the respective keys. Okay, so if you want to test, you have to click here, put the keys, and save changes. Okay, if you want to have this live, just make sure to have this enabled and have the keys here for the live option, and click save changes. Simple as that, guys. And that will be all. So I won't do this right now, but you have to follow the same steps and you're gonna be good to go. Now we're gonna go and set up PayPal. So we're gonna click on payment, and we're gonna activate PayPal standard, and let's click setup. And once you are here, you gotta make sure that you have the PayPal email. This is basically the email that you link with PayPal so you can receive payments. Okay, it's really simple. This step, you just put the email here, put it here again, and you have to put it here as well. And in this other section, you have to put the live API password. Okay, just that one. It's really simple to do this. You have to click here, PayPal API credentials, and you have to follow the steps. Of course, you need to have a PayPal account in order to do this, but just follow this step, guys. It's really simple to do it. I don't gonna do it right now because I don't want to do this video too long. So go ahead and follow the step and you're gonna be good to go. So once you put the information here, just click on save changes. Okay, so right now you're gonna be able to start receiving payments on your WordPress website. So right now we're gonna move on to the step number 3, that is create a product. Now we're gonna go to products and click add new. And let's say that we're gonna charge for a private consultation. We're gonna name this like this, and we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna choose simple products. There are different type of products that you can create, but we're just gonna stick to the simple one. And we're gonna put a regular price of, let's say that you charge like $500 for a private consultation. By the way, guys, if you want to change the currency, you can always do that on WooCommerce settings. In the first page, you scroll down and you're gonna be able to change the currency, but by default is in US dollars, so we're gonna leave it like that. So we're gonna scroll down and basically that's it. You can put a small description if you want, but I'm just gonna make this as simple as possible. For me, simple is better. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna click on publish. All right, so once we have done this, we're gonna go to the step number 4, that is create a flow. So we're gonna go to cart flows and we're gonna click flows, and in here we're gonna click add new, and we're gonna choose a template. As you can see, Carflow has some really good templates that you can get started with. So let's choose one. Okay, we're gonna choose this one. Remember that we are using the free version of Carflow, so the ones that have the pro badge is because you need to pay in order to use them, but we can get started with this one. And you can see the steps, how it looks, the landing page, the checkout page, the thank you page. So Carflow is just basically a sales funnel builder, and I really like it. I really recommend it if you want to start creating sales funnels with WordPress. but we're gonna use cart flows because it allows us to design the checkout page, basically to create like a form so we can send to the user, to our customer, and they can put their billing information, and we can receive the money faster, so that's the main reason I like to use Carflow, because we have the ability to design the checkout page with more options, because honestly the default checkout page that comes with WooCommerce is not that really nice, but here you can change that. Okay, so we want to click on import flow. We want to name this like private consultation, and we have it here. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to erase the landing page, because we're just gonna use the checkout page for the person to put their information, the credit card and everything, and the thank you page. Okay, so we're gonna erase this step, delete. Then we need to assign a product to this page. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna click edit. We're gonna go to products, add new product, and we're gonna search for the product that we just created. Add product, and just click save settings. There we have it. We're gonna go back to design, edit with Elementor. So this is the page, and you can see it's a pretty clean, nice page, checkout page. And what we have to do next is just basically edit this page, make it look nicer. So we're gonna do something real quick here. We're gonna create another section. Here we're gonna change the background color here, black, and we wanna put an image. We wanna put like the logo here, and we're gonna choose the logo of my business. Let's see, we have it here. Okay, here we have it, and there we go. We want to make this a little bit smaller, style like 20 is okay. And guys, if you want to learn how to use the page builder Elementor, if you want to understand how to use WordPress, I have the free training that I mentioned to you at the beginning. You have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings, and you're gonna be able to learn how to use these tools. Okay, so I'm gonna do this real quick just to not make this video too long. So we're gonna this the other section here, and we're gonna get rid of this column, delete. We're gonna use this title, we're gonna put it in the center. We're gonna change the title here. We're gonna put something like private consultation, and you can put a small description if you want, something more personalized for your clients, whatever you want. And I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna change the background. When I go to style, underneath style, as you can see, we have the background and the background overlay, and this is a picture. This is why it looks like this. So we're gonna get rid of this. Done. Then we're gonna go to background. We're gonna use a black color as well, and there we have it. And I'm gonna leave this badge 30 days guarantee. I really like it. If you want to put other different like trust budgets, guys, you can go download a picture on Google about different trust budgets, and you can put them there as well. But I'm just gonna stick with this picture. I really like it. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't feel it's necessary. And let's see how it looks. I think it looks nice, simple. Remember, it's just a simple checkout page. Your customers already know they have to pay you if you send them a link, so you don't have to complicate things. Now here we're gonna choose this section, and in the checkout form we have different things, but we just want to change the buttons here. Okay, we're just gonna go to buttons, and we're gonna go to colors. Let's maybe like a blue, something like that. And there we have it. Okay, Looks nice. Maybe the global colors as well. Let's see what we can do. Hover. I wanna change the same color here. Same. Is this one? There we go. You can see it changed. Use hover. Okay, what else? What else? You can change more things, guys, but I was gonna leave it like that. And maybe the global colors, I'm gonna change this to the same color that I have here. Let's see the buttons. Here, I'm gonna copy this global, change it to that, and there we have it. Better. So simple as this, I can edit this page, and I'm gonna leave this like that because I really like this footer. So let's see how it looks in mobile. We're just gonna make this a little bit bigger, and there we go. And the text, everything, I'm gonna make this a little bit closer. There we go. And there we have the checkout page. Looking good. And I believe that will be all. Simple as that. Make sure to click update and it's ready to go. There we have the checkout page. Okay. Now you also can edit the thank you page. So we're gonna go here and the thank you page, just gonna click edit, open in a new tab, edit with the Elementor, and this is the thank you page. Once the customer have paid, they're gonna go directly to this thank you page. And the same, guys, you can change this, you can change the colors, okay, the same. You put your own stuff, and you can put your social media here, your links, click here. You can put your Facebook link here, your Twitter, Google, whatever you want. And yeah, you can completely customize this as well, and it looks good on mobile too. So update, and we're gonna see the flow. As you can see, we have it here. So guys, what I'm doing right now is that I'm using my other website, that is BG Online Solutions, because I have everything set up here. So right now I'm just gonna test this in this site, not in the other one that I was getting started. That was just for demonstration purposes. But right now, as I have everything, my code, my PayPal set up here, I'm gonna do it here, okay? But you have to follow the same steps I did at the beginning, and you're gonna be good to go. Don't worry about that. So what we have to do here is just basically we're gonna click edit, and we're gonna go to WordPress editor, because I want to show you that if you want to send a more personalized link, you can always change it here. As you can see, you can put your domain name, and it's gonna be something like, let's say that consultation payment page, something like that. Okay, you can save this, update. So what you can do now is just basically copy this code. We're gonna go in an incognito window, we're gonna paste the code, and there we have it, guys. So basically what you have to do now is just test it. We wanna put the information, okay, and you're gonna fill out the information, and you can choose to pay with PayPal or with credit card. And right now, as you can see, I have enabled the test mode, as I mentioned to you when we were setting up the Stripe payment gateway. Okay, so you enable the test mode, you copy this, paste it here. I'm gonna put something like this and place order. And simple as that, guys, you're gonna receive the money on your Stripe account, and this is the page that the person is gonna see after they make the payment. So as you can see, really nice, clean, and everything is working just fine. So that's basically it, guys. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You just create checkout page, you customize it, you copy the link, and you send the link to your customer, and you're gonna get paid really fast. Now, if you want to create a website, guys, remember I have the training, jordanvelasquez.com/trainings. You're gonna learn how to do that, how to market your website, your business. Once you have your online presence created, you're gonna be able to market with Facebook ads and also implement sales funnel, which is something really important that is gonna help you grow your business even faster. And make sure to click the like button so this video can reach more people and help them receive payment online fast. So basically that's it for this one. See you in the next video.